showing you how to use this Indian VPN application here. You get an Indian IP. So make sure you watch full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout. So at the bottom here, you may see protocols which you can use. You have Shutterstock, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. Do recommend let it stay on OpenVPN. To me, OpenVPN works best. But whatever you want to choose. Over 3 lines over here, you have the server list, which you can go and check out. You have the history, all the servers that you have been connected to. Also have the VPN filter feature, which you can allow whichever VPN get the VPN connection, whichever app get VPN connection. In the settings option, you have, as you can see here, to show you the pros and cons of each protocol. So here you have a better idea of what you're getting with each protocol. As well, you can turn on the dark or the light mode, as you can see here. So nothing much. You have the connection and startup. You can enable that option if you want, and some other features. Nothing much for those features. So the connection section here, you can pretty much just go ahead down here where it says United Kingdom. Tap on that and it pretty much will carry to their server list. As you can see here, quite a lot of Indian servers which you can use. You have the free ones and you have some other servers which you can use as well. Not just Indian servers, you have some other servers here as well. So if you don't have a subscription, you may need to use the free servers, as you can see here. So any one of these Indian servers you can use. If you want to add it to your favorite, you can tap on the star icon on the side of it, and that's pretty much it. So let's say, for example, this one here. And once you have selected the server that you want to connect to, we'll pretty much go back at the home screen here. You can just tap on connect, and it will ask for connection request. Just tap on OK. We'll start connecting in no time. Do make sure you add a hour connection time. As you can see here, I do have a connection timer. So if you want to remove that, you'd have to pretty much get the Pro subscription, or if you want to add an hour connection time, you have to pretty much watch an ad. So you can go tap on Go Pro. This is where you pretty much go and get their subscription. They do offer a 7 days free trial. You can test out all their pro servers and pro features, pretty much everything. So as you can see here, the prices and everything. So nothing much for that there. So that's really pretty much it. And if I go back in the server section, we do have the pro server section here as well, and the fast server section here as well. So that's pretty much it for that. And if I miss anything at all in this video, please comment below. I'd love to see you guys in this one. Hope I see you in the next one. Stay tuned.